Alright gang, we're about to try to install some rear OEM foot pegs on my Honda CT125. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little terrified. Go to the center until I can get it. And I'm gonna drill this first one out and then move to the second one. Giving the blade time to cool down, because last thing you want to do is get that blade super hot to where it'll snap. So I'm pretty deep in there. I got maybe an 1/8 inch to go, and I got that blade that's completely done. I'll take this out, put it to the side, and I'll grab a new 1/8 inch bit over here. Once I get both these drilled with 1/8 inch, which is the scariest one because it's thin, then I can move on to the 5/32. Okay, I started the second hole. I want it just a tad in, and it's gonna take a break because I really don't want to rush this. So I'm gonna take a second, I'm gonna calm down, cool down. Got my back seat there. Number 3025. Alright guys, got these two holes drilled out. It wasn't as bad as I thought, but honestly I drilled a little bit, stopped, sprayed it out, let the drill bit cool off. Let the hole cool off, went again, I took my time. Now I'm at the 5/32 drill bit. I'm about to hit it up, the 5/32. I'm gonna lube it up real well, take that one off for the heck of it too. And at first I was taping it from 1.25 inches, but then I noticed the bolts aren't that long, so I just ran off of the bolts. And even so, the plate takes up some space. Because the plate's a nice thickness, so don't go 1.25 inches, just measure the bolts and go off of that. Because you don't want to dig too deep into your frame now. See, you just want to take it a little bit at a time. You really don't want to just friggin' jam it in there. You really don't want to just jam it in there. You just kind of want to take your time with it. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna continue doing. So I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more lube. Let the bit cool down. Come back over. Let it eat a little bit and then pull out. Same process, repeat. Sorry, all the holes are perfect on the front side. And these fit in there perfect, like the holes line up perfect. So now I just have to get the tap out and thread them, I guess. And then once that's done, we'll move them to the other side. I'm almost finished this one boss right here. It's got a little bit more to go on this tap. I must have put it in and pulled it out a million times. It's got a little bit more to go. Got them both perfectly tapped, Leo. I'm about to go find the Allen key and put the pedals on. I want to find some Loctite too. I think I have some laying somewhere. No, I just tightened the shit out of them, dude, but I got them on there perfect. Actually worked out really nice.
That's your red rocket.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's you, dog.